All right, besties, gather around and buckle up because today we're tackling car insurance, aka that boring grown-up thing we all pay for every month even though none of us fully understand it, kind of like my gym membership or why my toddler cries when I peel his banana wrong. Adulthood came with no instruction manual, just bills, mystery stains, and a tiny human asking for snacks every 7 minutes. So I'm here to be the older sister YouTube forgot to assign you. So picture this. Car insurance is basically hiring a financial babysitter for your car, because let's be honest, accidents happen, especially when your kid suddenly screams, "Mom, look, a cow!" while you're going 65 on the freeway and holding onto your iced coffee like it's the last piece of your sanity. Car insurance is a promise. You pay a monthly "please don't let me go broke" fee, the premium, and in return, the insurance company says, "Okay, Queen, if something goes wrong, we got you. But also, please read these 47 pages of terms written by someone who hates joy." There are levels to this chaos. Liability, the "I'm sorry, my bad" coverage for when you cause the oopsie. Collision, for when your car boops another car, a pole, a mailbox, or that rogue shopping cart with toddler on a sugar rush energy. Comprehensive, everything else. Hail, theft, falling branches, raccoons with bad attitudes, and whatever plot twist 2025 is planning. Personal injury protection, basically the everyone gets hot chocolate and Band-Aids fund, for medical stuff. Uninsured motorists, protection from those Mario Kart drivers who apparently got their license from a cereal box. Then there's the deductible, the amount you pay before insurance steps in, kind of like how you do 95% of the housework before anyone else helps. Your rate, aka the monthly sacrifice to the adulting gods, depends on your age, your car, your driving record, and probably whether you once sneezed too confidently near a stop sign. Moms usually get better rates because insurance companies know we're basically driving with a built-in 24/7 anxiety radar. The point? Car insurance keeps one bad day from financially ruining your life. Because one toddler draining your resources is enough. We don't need a fender bender joining the party. So go ahead, picture some cute pastel animations of cars gently booping into things, smash that like button, and enjoy this brief shining moment where we can pretend we've got adulthood handled while our coffee gets cold for the 3rd time today.